Welcome to HyperHost. In this video, I will show you how to get a website built really quickly with our website builder. The first thing you need to do is go to our panel.hyperhost.mx. At the store, choose Web Builder. You can choose the basic for $2 per month. You can register a new domain. Domain prices are extra. You can transfer your domain to us, or you can change your NS records to reflect the ones that we're going to show you later on. In the meantime, I'm going to put an example here. You can get one of the options added products that we have here, but I'm going to choose none. We have a 30-day free trial. As you can see, there's a discount added to the total, so you get 30 days free. You have to insert your information: name, last, email, phone number, street address, city, state, postcode, country, and a password. I'm going to blur this out, so just for the sake of the video. Since we're not paying right now, I'm going to choose bank transfer, but you can choose either one of the different options. I advise joining our mailing list. This takes a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, or up to 2 minutes, your order will be complete and your service will be already ready for you to start working on it. If you've chosen any of the different payment methods, it's going to show up here. You have your invoice. You can go back to the client area. You go to Services, My Services. Choose your web builder. As you can see, you know the information. It's active. Payment date, payment amount, and everything. You log into the control panel. For security purposes, you insert information regarding Once that's done, the system asks you to do an install. You don't choose a directory. We have live chat always at hand. You choose the instance. Okay. From here, you can choose any template we already have in order to start working on your website. Let's say I like this one. Okay, the bakery. I click on Set Your Theme. It says successfully applied. I click on Open Web Builder. And that's it. You can choose a different theme if you want, another template. Okay. You can have your email and the company of the website. This is important if you want people to reach you. Okay, so I'm going to put just email. Whatever. Demo website, continue. Contact information. It's not important for me right now, but it is important for you. You insert everything there, whatever you want people to be able to know about your business and how to reach you. Okay. And that's it. There's a little guide. Everything is editable. Okay. So you can edit here, save changes once you have done a change. There's version histories where you can do a back, like go back to a previous change you just made. You can undo the change, like here, you can see it. There are content blocks, they're already pre-made. You can add more content. As you can see, we have banners, contents, headers, objects, etc. You can click on any of them to add it. Okay, ready? You can work on the photos. You can change it. You can upload your own. Select from the ones that are already up and save changes. You can change the design. We have already pre-made color schemes. You can put your own colors if you want. And there are other design options like the menu designer, and we can decide on the fonts, and you even can create a logo. Change website menu. Change the theme, as I showed you. You can create the logo. This is the menu. You can enable landing page mode to hide the menu. So on those pages where you don't want the menu to appear, it's a landing page. People only have one option, which is to do whatever you want on that page, like fill a form or buy something. Menu and website settings. Here's the menu. There's sub pages you can add. And you can change the settings like, for example, change languages. Okay, this is the website configuration. And there's a help section right here. That's about it for this intro. Now, there are video guides, as you can see here, teaching you exactly how to do everything that you want to do. And there are questions and answers also. Okay. But we're going to skip that. So let's say we didn't like this part that we added. I'm going to remove it. Okay, we big passion. That's nice. But let's say I don't want a bakery page. I want something. So we have free stock photos right here. And let's say I want to sell watches. Okay. I can choose a nice watch from here. This one is nice. It goes well with the theme and everything. I can edit the image if I want. I can, for example, crop it, change the size, or add an effect. I can colorize it if I want to. Okay. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I can apply filters also. A shadow or round corners or shadow and round corners, and I can make it a link. Okay, so right now we have this, and we have, again, these are images, text. We can change the text instantly and easily. Okay. Here, let's say instead of having this section, I want to add products. So what I'm going to do is going to go to apps, and I want to add a shop. Okay. I want to add a new product, and I'm going to call it watch. Okay. Best time piece ever. I can upload a photo. This one I have to upload, but I can choose the one that I just got. For price, say $1,000. I can add categories here. Category, I can add more. Okay. If I want the inventory to track it, I can. If I want to insert attributes like size, color, and stuff, I can here. If it's a downloadable product like an ebook, I can add it here. And I can select other products that are related to this one. So right now I have one product. I can delete. I can delete this product. This way I have 3. And that's it, I have those products. Now I'm gonna add the content. It should be apps and shop. So I want this to go. Down here, and I want this to be on top of this, and I'm gonna remove the bread because I really don't need the bread, and I have the product, which is a watch. It's a real clickable watch. Okay, I can edit the product, people can see it here. Again, I can remove the bread. I don't want the bread or the cakes. I can leave this and this. I can choose this logo. So let's say I want to change the logo. Okay, I want the logo. I click here, and I write here watches galore. Okay, so projects. I like this one. I can change everything I want from here. In another page, it opens the editor. From here, I can choose pictures. As you can see, there's different options already. I can add objects, icons, if I want. Right now there's none. I can add text, upload an image, or even work on layers. What does it mean to work on layers? I have the W layer, which I can move. I have the shape layer, and I have the words layer. Let's say I want to change the typography. Here, as you can see, instead of XR, I can change it to one of hundreds, if not thousands, of different fonts. So let's try viewable. Okay, I like this one. I'm gonna save it. And I can download it to my computer. Okay. Once it's downloaded, I can use it on the website. So now I'm gonna use this one. Once I have the logo design, I go to Menu Designer, Settings, here logo website, change the name to Watch Galore. In here I can upload I can change the background color. I can insert an icon. Once I'm done with that, I can upload the logo. And I'm gonna change the background to fit. I could change the image, but I don't want to work on the image. I'm gonna change the menu. That one looks nice. I'm gonna keep this one. It goes with the color of the menu that I did. And I have the store right here. I'm gonna change this one also. Okay, I can type here the information and everything else that I want to type. So if I go back to the home page, sorry, settings, home, I can work on the SEO and meta description, keywords. These are very important for SEO. I can add more information to this, to the watch. The thing is, I want to go back to the home. So let's go back to home. Okay. We love watches. Passion. Here I can link to another page. Okay, I haven't made a page called shop, so that's fine. I'm gonna do it like that right now. You can link to phone, section. So let's do a section on this page. I can suppose that we can put names to the sections. So I'm going to check it out. If I go here to block settings, this block, I can change the color of the background, add more contrast, make it dark, put decorative dividers, okay, boxed in, default block spacing, full height, I can make it full height, and here's the name of the section. Okay, if I want to link to the section, this is the section. So now on the settings, I can rearrange the menu, change the names, can add subpages, add terms and privacy, SEO and meta for the page, the general settings. Here you can change the email, which is the default homepage. Languages, you can change the language. Let's say I want to add Spanish. Okay. So now this is in Spanish. And we can switch between English and Spanish. You can manage access. This is how you control how you get into the admin section of this website. You can do it with username and password, or you can do it with different options. You do it here. You can change the contact information here. You can add all the social media here. You can check the SEO and analytics here for the website, for the subpages again as well. And we have the apps section. The apps section, as you can see, there's already a shop. So in the shop, you can configure the shop, put the name of the shop, default country, default currency, prefix, format, suffix, show full prices or rounded, control the quantity, SKU, sorting order, how you want the weight units, default weight, if you want to display thumbnails in which way, if you want it to be in a catalog mode, yeah, it won't have a cart. You can always show the cart button in the header if you want. Here you can manage the taxes for different countries. You can list custom taxes, import VAT rates, add them. You can add the order last number so you don't start your orders from scratch. Payment methods: PayPal, Stripe, Square, to checkout, Molly, .pay. There's really a lot of options here. A lot of options. Bank deposit, cash on delivery, custom payment. Delivery methods, you can add delivery methods, okay? And put the information. This is depending on which company for delivery you have made an arrangement with. Email messages, you can edit the default emails that are being sent, the text, and you can have tags. that personalized email. And the shop homepage, you can set how you want them to be shown. Okay. As you can see, this is very, very complex. So let's do, let's see if I can do. Okay, so here we have the shop homepage with categories. You can work on categories, different products. Once you're inside the product, you can edit the product also. Here in the description, you can add whatever you want to the description. You can add more images. You can change the categories. Okay, add categories. Add promo codes, like give people discounts. From here, you can manage the orders and the customers. We already went through the configuration of the shopping cart. You have the contact us page where you can add information, add the map, move it, change it, or add different content. Okay, you can add whatever you want. Social media, columns, features, testimonials, team, pricing, if you want to do a pricing table, and footers. In the apps, this is huge again. You can have a photo gallery, video, custom HTML if you want to paste HTML on the website. Get a file download if you want to share a file. Audio player. I don't suggest having it, but some people like it. A slider, blog section. You can have your blog right here. Voting poll, knowledge base. This is where you have information stored. Questions and answers. FAQ. Newsletter. RSS feed reader. Instagram feed, restaurant menu. You can have the menu of a restaurant right here. Calendar, sitemap, add to Google, have a talk to live chat or smart suit live chat, calendar from Calcom or Calendly. As you can see, this is a huge thing, and you can have your website up in a couple of minutes. I've done this way too long, and I know it takes long to explain everything that you can do. But this is going to help you get your website up and running, and you can have your website in less than an hour. Really be up and running and selling in less than an hour. If it took me 30 minutes to explain this, it's going to take you less just to make your website. Talk2 is free. You can use it. I've tried it. I have it. Live chat, I haven't tried it yet. So from SmartsUp. Check it out, check what you need, and enjoy. You're gonna love the speed of the website. This is something I want to show you. If you go to PageSpeed Insights and insert the URL, mind you, it's not optimized yet. So whatever we get here can be optimized even further. Look at that. Beautiful 88 on a mobile and a 94 on PC. This is huge. This is really fast, and it's not optimized yet. I'm going to show to you how it looks when you do it for mobile. This is a trick where you can test. So when you make your browser smaller, the browser acts as mobile. So the menu changes. Okay, there's the shop. The image changes. We can add it to cart. The person can make the payment right here. As you can see it on mobile. So this is awesome. You have a mobile-ready website with very high speed. You have a mobile-ready website with very high speed that you can have in less than an hour, already running with your products for $2 per month, $20 per year. Or if you catch us, there's some lifetime promotions going on right now on different websites. You might catch one of them. Now, when I said that we haven't optimized this yet, it's because on the panel, here are a few things that I need to show you about the panel, which you could see on other videos, but I'm going to show it here anyway, really quick. This is the information of where you're hosted and located. Your name server, this is what you change in order to point your domain to our host. Okay. If you don't understand this, there's information about this on our knowledge base. Basically, when you go here to support, knowledge base, you'll find answers to most of your questions. And if not, you can open a ticket right here. Okay. You can search from here, the knowledge base. There's edge caching, which is a CDN. We have a CDN, which is Content Delivery Network Premium, free. You can optimize the website really with one click. It's going to be even faster than what it is already. You could block visitors by country, see statistics, see the traffic distribution. You can make a little bit more speed optimizations from here, but test it as you add it. Don't just do it just because. What else do you have here? You have email accounts. The basic account comes with 10 email accounts, each one with 10 gigabytes of space, which is good. You can access webmail here. You have forwarders, catch-all, etc., etc. You have a file manager, backups. We have a 30-day daily backup with 30 days retention. SSL, you can activate your SSL right here for the website. It's the little lock that you have on the browser. You manage the DNS here. If you send all the information from your registrar to point to our host, this is where you manage everything. This is where you manage the emails and stuff like that. So let's say, for example, you have your email hosted at Gmail and you don't want to move it. You can just click here and it will add everything that needs to be added from Gmail, so your email won't be affected. Or if you do the G Suite, then everything will be added here. If you use Office 365, you can add it here. Or if you know how to play with this, you can add your own NS records right here. So this is what we have for you right now. I hope you like it. I hope you take advantage of it. I hope you make amazing websites. We love to see what our customers are doing. Please send us images and recordings and everything, testimonials and everything you want about your websites and what you do with us. We love our customers and we love to know how you're doing. And we love to have your success stories and share them if you allow us to. Thank you so much. This has been HyperHost. We hope to have you as a customer soon.